Hardwood floors demand a vacuum that can maintain luster without scattering debris or scratching surfaces. A notable challenge is balancing suction power with brush design to prevent scattering fine dust or tangling hair, all while preserving battery life or cord practicality. Product number 1, Laminate Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Laminate LVAC 200 is a lightweight cordless stick vacuum designed for dry messes with a tangle-resistant 2-in-1 pet tool and a 3 LED headlight-equipped floor head. It offers up to 50-minute runtime in eco mode and a 0.75-liter capacity with a compact form factor that fits under furniture thanks to a 180-degree hinge. Engineered for everyday cleaning on hardwood, low-pile carpets, and pet hair, it positions itself as a versatile daily driver with multi-tool versatility and a wall mount for convenient storage. Performance-wise, the 180W motor, listed as 180 watts, and 3-speed options provide a solid balance of suction and endurance. The unit emphasizes an anti-tangle experience via a dedicated pet tool and a 2-in-1 crevice tool, plus a lightweight chassis at 6.17 pounds. However, runtime claims 50 minutes eco, 30 minutes vacuum head, 12 minutes turbo. Product number 2, Bissell Power Clean Fur Finder 200-watt stick vacuum with a self-standing design and a tangle-free brush roll. It emphasizes pet hair cleanup with fur finder headlights to reveal embedded hair and a HEPA-sealed allergen system. The 0.5-liter dust capacity and runtime of up to 40 minutes complement its modular use as a handheld and wall-mount ready cleaner, with a focus on hair-laden environments and multi-surface versatility. In use, fur finder heads, along with the HEPA-sealed system, are designed to minimize hair escape back into the room, particularly on couches and stairs. The self-standing feature is convenient for paused cleaning, and the 0.68 quart dust cup is relatively compact for longer sessions, meaning more frequent emptying on larger areas. Product number 3, Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Chebio A16 is a budget-friendly cordless stick vacuum that markets strong suction up to 28 kilopascals in max mode and a 1.5-liter dust cup. It uses a V-shaped anti-tangle brush design and provides 2 suction modes plus a flexible LED motorized floor brush head. An LED lit floor head and a long battery life claim, up to 45 minutes on low, position it as a practical daily driver for hardwood and pet hair. In practice, the A16's anti-tangle V-brush helps minimize hair wrap, an appealing feature at this price tier. The 1.5-liter dust cup reduces the frequency of emptying during standard homes, and the 4-hour charging time is reasonable. Users should note the battery life claims vary with mode and debris. The 20-minute runtime figure indicates longer cleaning sessions may require switching modes. Product number 4, Shark HV322 Rocket Deluxe Pro Corded Stick Vacuum with LED Headlights. The Shark HV322 is a corded stick vacuum with LED headlights, pet-focused attachments, and a dust cup designed for deep cleaning on hard floors and carpets. It converts to a handheld form factor and relies on a 500W power profile with a 0.9-gallon, approximately 3.4 liters, dust capacity, aiming to deliver strong suction without runtime concerns typical of cordless units. Because it is corded, the HV322 maintains consistent top-end suction without battery constraints, which is valuable for larger homes or extended session cleaning. The LED headlights help reveal debris in dim spaces, and the pet tools target embedded fur on furniture and stairs. Product number 5, Dyson V8 Plus Cordless Vacuum. The Dyson V8 Plus is a premium cordless option featuring the motor bar cleaner head for deep cleaning across hard floors and carpets, multiple attachments, and a detangling capability for long hair. It offers up to 40 minutes of fade-free suction and 2 power modes with a lightweight handheld design and a wall dock for storage. It's positioned as a flagship cordless option for homes with pets and mixed flooring. In use, the V8's ball/Abish motorhead and anti-tangle conical brush bar reduce hair wraparound the brush, which is a strong advantage for pet households. The 1400 W equivalent motor and 115 AW power rating translate to robust suction on hardwood and carpet transitions, while the 0.54-liter bin size requires relatively frequent emptying and larger cleaning sessions. The filtration is EPA grade, with Dyson support ecosystem and app-guided maintenance.